Welcome, fellow engineers. Today I'm demonstrating the E equals mc² interactive calculator, a specialized tool that solves mass-energy equivalence calculations instantly. This calculator addresses the critical engineering problem of determining energy yields from matter conversion, essential for nuclear reactor design, particle physics experiments, and theoretical propulsion systems. Let's examine the input fields. The mass input accepts values in kilograms, grams, or atomic mass units. For nuclear engineering applications, you'll typically work with masses ranging from individual particles at 10 to the negative 27 kilograms up to fuel assemblies weighing several hundred kilograms. The calculator automatically handles unit conversions and scientific notation. Here's a practical example. Consider calculating the energy equivalent of 1 gram of matter, relevant for fusion reactor fuel calculations. Enter 1 into the mass field and select grams from the drop-down menu. The calculator instantly computes the energy output as 9 times 10 to the 13 joules. That's 90 trillion joules, equivalent to 21.5 kilotons of TNT, or enough energy to power 100,000 homes for 1 year. The output displays energy in multiple units simultaneously: joules for scientific calculations, kilowatt-hours for power generation comparisons, and TNT equivalent for scale visualization. These values help engineers assess feasibility, safety margins, and energy density comparisons across different systems. One critical insight: always verify your mass units before calculation. Confusing grams with kilograms creates thousand-fold errors that compromise entire project designs. This calculator streamlines complex relativistic energy calculations, eliminating manual computation errors while providing instant multi-unit results for engineering analysis and system design validation. Find the link in the description below.